so happy to be back, you guys. So we have been gone since before Thanksgiving, and we just got home Monday evening. We had an unexpected funeral, but anyway, you guys, enough about that. I'm back, and I'm so happy to be back. Oh my gosh, I'm happy to be doing my Hotmess Vlogmess. Mine isn't like everybody else's, you guys. You never know what's gonna happen. So I'm really excited. For today's video, I'm going to be making a holiday treat. It's one of Keith and mine and Keith's and mine. I don't know what the proper way to say this is, but anyway, we love this holiday treat. We love to make this around Christmas. And yeah, you guys, we're gonna do it tonight. So I have to go to my dermatology appointment. Keith and I both have a yearly, and when I get back, we're gonna do a little bit of, it's not really baking, but we're gonna make a holiday treat that Keith and I have enjoyed for years. So yeah, I'm so happy that I'm back. I'm so happy to be able to talk to you guys again. I've missed you guys so much, and I do my Vlogmas my way, you guys. You know I don't follow the rules, so I'm gonna try to come on here at least every other day, maybe a couple of days in a row, who knows. But for today's video, it's gonna be really fun. Let me share with you my bag of the day. I have not been able to put this bag away. You guys, I've got my phone cord sticking out of it. It is my beautiful Speedy 20 trunk. I love it. It holds everything I need. I don't have to compromise. I can take everything I want, my reading glasses, my glasses, and I still intend to do a full review on this bag. Actually, I'll do a full review on this bag maybe the next Vlogmas. We'll see. We'll see what comes up, but I am going to review it for you, do some mod shots. This bag is great. I love it so much. So I don't really even plan on changing out of it, because I've been using this now ever since I unboxed it. That's how much I love her, and it's rare to carry a bag over 2 or 3 days in a week. What am I trying to say? It's rare that I carry a bag more than 2 or 3 days in a row. So anyway, you guys, let's put that pesky cord back in there. I'm just waiting on Keith to come pick me up, but I'll be back in a bit, and we're gonna make a yummy, scrumptious holiday treat. And remember, watch my Vlogmas every day that I upload, where I do it my way. Woo! Happy Vlogmas, guys. Hello, happy first Vlogmas mess. All right, Keith, so what are we making today?
We're making Chex Muddy Buddies.
It's one of our favorites. We never make it any other time, just around the holidays. So I thought you guys might enjoy this recipe. I will put it in my description box. There's not a lot of ingredients that go into it, so even I can do it. Right, Keith?
Yeah.
Okay, so actually you start out with 9 cups of rice chex, corn chex, or chocolate chex cereal, or you can combine, but we have rice chex. So Keith is going to put 9 cups, oh, you're putting it in that bowl, okay. Keith is going to put 9 cups of rice chex into a bowl. This is something that is great to take to a family gathering or a party or anything, and we just love to have it around for the holidays. So you also use a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Keith will now pour the semi-sweet chocolate chips into the bag. One cup. I was gonna film this the other night, you guys, but I had so much going on, so this is actually 2 days later. So the next thing is a ½ cup of peanut butter, creamy. So Keith has gone to get a, here, I have these.
Yeah,
Oh, you like those better? Okay. All right. Your kids will love this. If you guys have kids at home, your kids, everybody loves Chex Mix. I also love the kind that you use with pretzels, but this is our favorite. It's very low calorie.
And fat-free.
And fat-free, exactly. Okay, so Keith is now putting the peanut butter in with the chocolate chips.
Butter.
Yeah, a half a cup of butter or margarine. And so he already, in the large bowl, he measured the cereal, you set it aside. Then in a microwavable bowl, that's what he did. He just put it, he always uses this big measuring cup. You will heat it uncovered on high for 1 minute. And then you stir and then microwave for about 30 more seconds. So as the peanut butter, the chocolate, and what else was in there? Oh, the margarine is warming, he will now get a teaspoon of vanilla. So here it is, all melted together. Yes. So he will put it back into the microwave for about 30 seconds or longer until the mixture can be stirred very smooth, and then you stir in the vanilla. Okay? This is an old cake plate that I've had for years, and it just works well because you'll swish it all around, and this is just what we've always used. I was just going to mix it in this bowl, but there's no need to do that. Okay, it's all melted, a nice smooth consistency. I can't even talk.
Can't talk good.
Can't talk good. Keith and I are wearing our old sweatshirts from when Evans was playing football. We used to wear these shirts, and now I just wear them around the house. Okay, so you're supposed to go in there. Vanilla. Okay, so vanilla goes into the chocolate mixture. Okay, so 1 teaspoon of vanilla. All right, and stir that. And then after you get the mixture all mixed together, you just pour it over the cereal. So you just pour it all over the cereal. Yummy. Chocolate and peanut butter. What could be better? All right. You can pour it into a 2-gallon resealable, plastic bag, but we just do it this way. Get all the yummy goodness you can out of there. Keith is a man of few words tonight. Do you have anything to say?
What do you want to say?
There you go. This would be a great gift. You could put it in a tin. You could make a big batch of this, and you could put it in like a little Christmas tin. I love personal gifts like that. So this is why we always use this. Keith likes to roll it like that, or as I said earlier, you can just pour it into a 2-gallon bag. Get it coated nice and evenly. And stir it a little bit. He rolls it. He doesn't want to shake it because you don't want to crunch up the cereal. The next step would be, of course, the powdered sugar. Excuse my appearance because I've been keeping Drew all day. He's a handful, so I never really get, I never look presentable on a Monday or a Thursday. All right, so now he's gonna get 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, and then you just pour it on top and do the same thing. Get everything mixed really well. You can buy this in the grocery store, but we've been making this for a long time. It's just kind of a tradition. So that's a 1/2 cup. He's gonna disperse it. What was it your dad would say?
Uniform deposition of agent.
His dad was an engineer, so he would say, I would say, mix it in well. And his dad would say, uniform deposition of agent. Whoa, okay. Add the powdered sugar, seal the bag, or in our case, the cake plate, and then just turn it. Now, you can spread it on wax paper. It says wax paper to cool, but it's not really, is it warm? A little bit. Did that happen?
No.
Okay, we just had a slight catastrophe. We didn't have it sealed good. We spilled powdered sugar all on the floor, but that's okay, guys. Made a mess. I just swept. What, is it not sealed? be right back.
Ah, perfect.
So, what do you want to put it in?
It's already inside.
It kind of looks messy. Now, I think I have some Christmas
Containers?
containers. Yes, I have some Christmas containers. I'll probably put it in the Christmas containers. Okay, I'll just let you guys know the nutritional information. One serving is 210 calories. That's not that bad, you guys.
One serving is 2 rice chex. Half a cup.
A half a cup is 2. That is bad. Oh my gosh. I'm probably going to put on a few pounds because I'm going to eat some of this I'm going to eat a lot of it. Okay. Ooh, it looks so good. Wow. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to put it in a little container. Look at that. Yummy. 210 calories? Come try it, Keith. Okay, we're going to try it together. Cheers. Cheers. Very good. Thank you, Keith. Thanks for spilling powdered sugar all over the floor. All right, guys. I'm going to put the recipe in my box, make it, and enjoy. I'll see you on the next Vlogmas. Peace. Okay. I've trained you well, Keith. I have trained you well.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the end product, you guys. I buy these little containers and I put cookies and different things that we make for Christmas, and I give them away for gifts, and then I keep them at home as well. And so I just get them at the dollar store. And there it is. Yummy, yummy. So I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you on the next Hotmess Vlogmess Yotastyle.